Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm Blue Badge Crypto, bringing you another Bitcoin and market update. But listen, if you're not already on the Twitter, get over there at Blue Badge Crypto. That's where you're going to get the most time-sensitive alerts on trends, trading, and analysis in the market. Let's dive into Bitcoin, guys. We're here on the 1-hour chart. If you're following the updates with us, if you're on the Twitter, then you know what we're looking at right here. We had some pretty crazy price action yesterday, but it was actually all supported with our levels here as well as our levels on crypto total market cap that we'll get into. But the last update that I gave last night was here on the total crypto market cap, where we were coming down from this line. We broke below this support level here, and we were down here. I said that we could get that one more push up here to test this level as resistance here before any further downside. And now we've kind of broken up a little bit from it here on this 1-hour chart. If you look at it on like a 4-hour chart, it's just kind of a candle up. So this could kind of still turn into a wick on a little bit higher time frame. So we'll see what happens here. On the 1-hour chart, we are above it a little bit here. But I said where we could come back and test this level before any further downside. And on Bitcoin, that would kind of correlate to pushing that 44K level, which would be in confluence with these lows, these lows, these lows, these highs over here, and just kind of making another high here where we kind of have a pocket of support and resistance right here, right along that 44K mark or so, just slightly under it. And we've come up now and kind of hit that level, and are retracing a little bit and kind of struggling with it. So if we're going to kind of make that downturn again, we're going to probably do it here pretty soon if we're going to see that further downside, right? If we start, creeping back up here again, that's where obviously those chances are going to get higher of what we've been talking about, of needing to break this level and hold that level as support for continuation, okay? And until we do that, any move up here pretty much means nothing, okay? It's all just noise, all right? In between here, this is all just noise until either one of two things happens, okay? What we're looking for is to either come up here, break this level, hold that level as support, right? Where we back test that level, hold it as support with multiple candles. We get, a lot of price action right here. Hold that level of support. That's where we consider ourselves good for continuation. Until that happens, we have to be prepared for further downside to at least right here at our macro A wave low, and even potentially lower to 40765. And if that were to not hold, we have lower levels down here at the midline of the channel, as well as at 38439 right there on our yellow line. Okay. So that's what we're looking at right now for Bitcoin, right? So until we get up here and break and hold this level, it's all just noise, guys. It's all just noise in between here on these levels. And again, if we go back and look at total market cap, what I also explained in the update last night and what we've been talking about on these YouTube updates and different posts and videos is that we still have a clear lower high here on total market cap, right? Where we're still in a macro downtrend, where we're still creating lower highs and lower lows. Y'all see that? Still creating a lower high, lower low, still creating a lower high here. And we also have that very clear and pronounced hidden bearish divergence here, where we have a high in price and a lower high in price, but a much higher high on the RSI. So that could just be one, more factor that kind of gives the case or supports the case that we could see some potential further downside here. And even if we look on this in a macro view, right, we look on this daily chart, we kind of see where we, got this huge push up, ran into all this confluence of resistance, and now we're kind of coming back down again. And that next level that we have here on total crypto market cap is this resistance pocket that I gave y'all when we were coming up, that was going to kind of act as resistance. And now once we come down and hit this box, should we break down from this level again and see that further downside, this level will start to act as support. And again, that's at 1.883 trillion or so, guys. So that's what we're looking at right on Bitcoin. We're coming up, total crypto market cap's running into resistance here, potentially try to break above here, but it still looks like it's kind of struggling here. And then again on Bitcoin, like I said, we would come up and just push into that 44K level, right? We came up and hit 43876. So just coming up, pushing to 44K, potentially going to see a denial here and a little bit further downside. And like I said, if we come up and start, claiming this level to push up higher, that's where we could have that other chance, obviously, at coming up and trying to hold that level there, guys. So that's what we're looking at on Bitcoin. That's what we're looking at on the market. If you enjoyed the video today, please like it, subscribe, throw a comment down if you have any questions, guys. Thanks for watching.